We want to take Audi Sport to a whole new level. Our RS models are the spearheads of the Audi portfolio. They stand for performance, prestige, exceptional design and exclusivity.
This is already a really beautifully shaped car. When we're taking it to an RS, it's all about the flared arches. The most important thing is the single frame. In the case of the RS6, it's sitting a lot lower. We have the side air intakes that are huge to catch enough air in comparison to the A6. We are creating two-dimensional sketches, then basically transfer it three-dimensionally. This CAD data gets milled into one-to-one model that has been handcrafted, milled to every detail. This is there to create the perfect illusion what the car will look like on the street.
In addition to design, we are focusing on powertrain, suspension and drivability. Development tests take place in multiple countries, in all climate zones and weather conditions all over the world. We have a clear focus to develop our cars for all big markets all over the world. The Nürburgring Nordschleife plays a very special role for Audi Sport testing. All our RS models has to undergo more than 8,000 kilometer testing there. It helps us to focus on durability and drivability under very special conditions.
The car comes on a very high level, developed and driven by engineers already. And when I enter the car at a very late point of the development, they want to have my feedback as a professional race driver. We fine-tune the suspension here and there, maybe the steering feedback and these kind of things. At the end of the procedure, we found out that we've got a very reliable and very fast car, which is 100% Nordschleife reliable.
I believe our customers deserve the best products on market. Therefore, we have the best specialists and the best teams to meet these high expectations of our customers.
The individual parts for our vehicles are produced here in the press shop. In the press shop itself, we have about 230 tool sets that we use to produce about 130,000 individual parts each day. We build 70 derivatives here on one production line. The plant systems were designed in such a way from the very beginning so that the RS6 and RS7 vehicles could also be built. So the most important thing for us is, of course, the employees, since only with the help of the employees and with the additional 1,200 robots that are standing here can we produce these vehicles up to body shell status. The RS has more distinctive lines, has a more brawny look, and therefore also gets its own hang-on parts which we mount onto the body here. The employee and the eye of the employee is relevant for us for the quality. The surface of each vehicle is inspected to ensure that each vehicle here comes to the customer in top quality. During the marriage, the chassis and the body are wedded here. The car gets its heart, so to speak, the pulse, so that it can take to the road. The RS model have the largest engine here in the A6 and A7 model series. The 8-cylinder engine and correspondingly complex, because we have to complete 76 screw fittings here during the marriage so that the joining process can be done within 1 minute.
Every new model features state-of-the-art technology and has to meet, or better, to surpass the high expectations of our customers.
So the process at the Meisterbock is that we first assemble the parts at the Meisterbock. Then we measure them with high-precision measurement technology, like laser scanners, which create millions of measurement points at once. And we look at the measurement reports and where there are the most deviations. And with those deviations, we meet with our internal and external partners and optimize the parts regarding their dimension so that the customer gets the quality that he appreciates from his Audi.
Our vision is to be at the forefront of technology and to be a prime example for modern leadership. We have a great brand, a great and a strong team.